Today's video is going to be another bedsheet dress. Sorry, it's all I've been doing is so many bedsheet dresses. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Harford. I am a photographer turned fashion designer, and if you're new here, I make a lot of dresses mainly, and I'm also really into filmmaking. I will probably dive into that more and more as we go along. Sometimes though, I make videos like today. In today's video, we're making a Gunne Sax inspired, but more nowadays, like it's not full on Gunne Sax. Like we didn't sew on ribbons this time, but I did a little something in the middle. But in today's video, we're going to be making this dress out of a bedsheet. The fabric is usually pretty decent for sundresses or just dresses in general. At the point of making this video, I already made the dress, so this is the leftovers, but this is the fabric. It's pinstripes. It has a really pretty green color on it. Some of you may have realized or maybe noticed that I have a lot of pink and some red, and sometimes here and there black. A lot of warm colors, a lot of pink. If you can't tell, I love pink. I also love floral. So we're venturing off in the pinks and the florals, and we're moving on to pinstripe green. And you know what? I'm really loving the pinks mixed with that little hint of green, which you would typically see on a flower. It is a part of the vibe, okay? So apparently pinks and greens is what I am going towards lately. Let's just get to the video. I'm going to show you behind the scenes of me making this simple dress, and you can make a simple dress just like it too. All you need is a pattern for a sweetheart neckline bodice, or just some sort of bodice similar to this one that I'll be using in today's video. You'll just have to make straps, and tie straps are flexible and you don't have to worry about the adjustment type of things you need to buy. So no buying additional materials, and you can still have adjustable straps. Yeah, I used a queen size bed sheet for this, which was just enough for this whole project. So if that helps you out, grab a queen size bed sheet, whether you buy it new or thrift it, and hopefully this video helps you, maybe inspire you to make a really simple fun dress. Let's get to the video. Hope you guys enjoy. I always say the same thing. I need to come up with some newer lines, that's for sure. Okay, I've been working on this dress, bodice, trying to record little bits and pieces, but I honestly, this time around, I was struggling to figure out what heck I'm gonna do. So a little bit of a background story of this week. I just hired a babysitter to watch my son. Well, he does his thing. He just, has this time. Normally he's playing. Right now he's on the phone with my mom. So I really don't have much time because he usually will ask for something, and today the babysitter's not here. So I'm gonna see what I can do in a little bit of time, but I could not get myself to wake up early. This week has been really random, but I really wanted to make a dress, right? So as I mentioned in the intro, which I haven't recorded the intro yet, so this Stephanie version of me doesn't even know what I'm gonna say, but in the intro I'll have laid it all out for you guys of what the plan is for today. Anyway, this is what I got so far, right? Like, we got tie straps, it's lined, and I totally forgot, like, I don't know why, but I totally forgot that I was going to be doing this with a Gunne Sax feel to it, and I was supposed to, like, put some trim and some lace, and totally forgot. I think I'm gonna just bite my tongue over this, bite my lip, bite something, okay? And go ahead and undo what has already been done underneath, just so I can put some sort of trim. And I got a few options, so I'm gonna play around with the trim. And then I have the rest of this bed sheet over here to make the skirt with. And then I'm going to make it similar to the past Gunne Sax style dresses I've made. It is striped, so I'm going to keep it a rectangle. I'm just going to keep it a rectangle. That way the stripes are going straight down throughout the whole dress. And hopefully I'll make it not as long as I did the last one, so that my feet can actually come out from the bottom, because I made that mistake last time. It was super long. As I figure out the trim, we'll see what I need to do. And then I'm going to undo what I've already done so that I can insert the trim into the seam allowance. That way it's a clean finish on the neckline. So let me go figure out trim, and then I will show you what I end up doing. I'm just kidding. Maybe one up and then another one the other way. That could be really pretty. I mean, yeah, I like that. I'm gonna do that. So I cut out these skirt layers. This top one will be the top tier, and we'll just gather that to the waist. And then the bottom two, those will be the bottom tier, and I doubled those. They're the same distance. I chose this to be 22 inches and the shorter one to be 16 inches. That does include the seam allowance. And now all I have to do is attach one to the other. These two bottom tiers need to be sewn together so that they create one long one. So I'm gonna do that first, and then once that's going, we will gather this one to go on that one. Bottom tier gathered while the gathering foot is still on. Are you kidding me? How does that even happen? Why does that even happen? Where did you get stuck at? Why? Thread, you are totally fine. Ay, ay, ay. So I ordered fabric and it came, so I figured I would show you guys in this video. It has nothing to do with this dress, but it came today, so it's exciting for me to be able to open it and show you. Alright, I have like a potential idea for maybe an underwater photo shoot. I'm not sure if the photographer I worked with last year, which is a video I shared recently on this channel, the underwater dress that I made, or the red dress, the aerial dress to be exact, that photographer mentioned wanting to collaborate again this year, but she's been busy and I haven't reached out to her. But just in case it worked out, I went ahead and bought fabric so I could get started on it sooner than later. Ooh, I'm excited. Interesting the way they package it. So I ordered 2 to have plenty. All right, let's open these suckers up and see what it's all about. Oh my gosh, I'm already just like extremely wow, this is gorgeous. It's super lightweight, which means that's perfect for the water. So I mean, look how beautiful this is. Very shiny. I can see someone's hair is in it. Ew. Although it did land on the floor. Could be my hair. Could be my hair. This is so pretty. Like, can I just have endless amounts of this? OMG. I mean, can you picture an underwater photo shoot with this? I have somewhat of an idea too for a dress, but like this color is so me. It is so me. I am very stoked about this. This is, I need to get back to work, but I cannot right now. Like, this is freaking gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna get back to work on the green dress. But like, I had to have my moment there. Okay, I had to have my moment. Okay, moment's over. Getting back to the dress. I'm working on the tiered skirt. I gotta get this stuff out the way. I just finished gathering this bottom tier. Hopefully it doesn't look wonky, but we're gonna attach that to the top tier. Let's hope that it fits good. This is the top tier. Forgot, like I needed to have gathered it way more than that for the waist, so I'll have to do more gathering. I'm gonna attach that, and then once that's good to go, I just attach it to the bodice and then hem it and then put a zipper. So we're at the final stretch here. I'm gonna see if I can do all this while my son is napping, and it's almost 3, so we have a decent amount of time. Will I finish? I don't know, but I'll try my best. So as you can tell, this is the bodice. I just kind of threw in this little decorative part. So I'm looking in the mirror and I'm like, oh, it's cute. I'm not a fan of like the way the curve is on here, because it's just so, it needs cups or something that would like hold its shape. Otherwise it just wants to sink in. I don't know. Maybe once I put it on and it's like wrapped around me, it'll be fine. We'll see. Getting close. Let me get those skirts attached and then I'll get back to you guys. Skirt for the most part. If I can get this to untangle, there we go. So all I have to do is gather this waist part to actually go around the waist. See? Not too long this time. I know it's hard to tell. That's that. All right, let's put it on the bodice. Inside. I feel like it's looking good. It's looking cute. I like it. Looks kind of funny, you know. Sorry. My son woke up, but he's just like laying in his bed playing around, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can while he's unbothered. Yeah, I'm gonna search this real quick, and then we can insert the zipper. This is what I'm gonna search. Oh, it's not even lined up. Nearly finished. I just have to hem it, but I want to show you the progress. I like temporarily tied these, so I don't know if they're the right length yet, but here it is. I feel like it's really cute. I normally don't make things in green, but I really do love this color green. I feel like this particular green and the pinstripes is just like, I don't know, more me if I do green. And then the bottom here, we just have to hem it. But I want to see the length here. Ooh, oh, I think the length is perfect. So I'm gonna do a rolled hem. That's literally all I have to do. And then I'll probably maybe steam it a little bit. So I'll turn my steamer on and then it's good to go. Let me roll that hem, and I won't show you that because I've shown it in old videos. It's the same thing. Speaking of rolled hems, if you want to know how I kind of like hacked the rolled hem thing, let me know. Okay, because I don't know if it's worth it to make a full-on video, so maybe a part of another video of little like self-taught hacks. I feel like when I first started it, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. Now that I use it all the time, I feel like I've got it down. Like I've got a little system that I go with. But I will say, doing a rolled hem on straight cut fabrics is way easier than curved. But anyway, let's roll this. Let's roll this hem. Never mind. I don't know why I'm on YouTube. Okay guys, the dress is done. It's time for the reveal. But before I show you the reveal, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video, for coming to my channel. Please remember to subscribe if you really like dressmaking content, and if you love what you saw today, I have plenty more to come. I also wanted to let you guys know that soon enough, I will be switching over to Tuesdays. And I'll let you know when that's gonna happen, but we're gonna have one more Friday video next week before we switch over to Tuesday. This will work a little bit better with my schedule. Keep that in mind. I'm gonna remind you again next week that it'll be Tuesdays. Think of Taco Tuesday. Think of Stephanie and dresses. Why? Because I love tacos. I've been really into tacos lately. We are gonna jam it out with a dressmaking video on Taco Tuesday. Let's show you the reveal of this dress. I hope you guys like it, hope you enjoy. And after this, be sure to comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. Love you guys so much. Okay, see you in the next video, bye!
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold